go to RogerHollowayHomes.com.
Hey guys, I'm on location at Meadow Vista. Wow, Taylor Morrison, some unbelievable plans. Oh, look at that. Wow. Now Meadow Vista is right a minute from downtown Mint Hill. Look how beautiful that is. And we're going to take a tour of a model home called the Waverly. Big porch, beautiful craftsman columns, and I'll bet you, I will just bet you that there is a high-level salesperson doing some business sitting at his desk. Oh no, that's Rodney Jones.
Hello, sir. Did we have an appointment today?
We do. Rodney, this is a cool office, man.
Man, this is a great office. Roger, today we are in Mint Hill, or shall I say the charming town of Mint Hill. Great location, easy access to 485.
I love downtown Mint Hill.
Small town in Mint Hill, close to Matthews. But we are on site today with Taylor Morrison Homes. And I'll tell you what, Roger, we have sold a ton of Taylor Morrison homes. Why have we sold so many Taylor Morrison homes? Look around and see the quality of craftsmanship. I love Taylor Morrison Homes.
You know, the builder that probably built this model, he's in the construction office right now. He built my Taylor Morrison home.
Oh, he did he? Wow.
I had a good experience with him. In fact, I chronicled that on my 50 video podcast called Building from the Ground Up.
That's right. And Roger, you and I have a client, and she works for one of the major builder suppliers here in town. And guess where she decided to build her home? Right here in Meadow Vista in Mint Hill with Taylor Morrison.
So do they have some opportunities left?
You know, they do. You kind of need to move quickly. We're down to about the final 15 home sites. Taylor Morrison is not waiting for the buyers. They went ahead and started 3 homes right now. This plan we are in is called the Waverly, and they have a Waverly that's going up right now in the mid 6s. You don't have to wait to build.
So this plan, and this has the guest suite down, correct?
Guest suite down in the mid 6s. And you know, we use the term multi-generational as well. So what I love is they also are building 2 basement homes, which would easily accommodate multi-generational. What do I mean by that? Well, say mom or dad is moving out of their home and they need to come live with you for a while. You know, as the on-site sales rep described it, it's a 1-bedroom apartment in the basement.
That's
they
amazing.
can have their own living quarters.
Do you remember we had one of my YouTube subscribers from New York? They had their dad, he's like in his 80s, and I remember that day I had Jack the real estate dog with, oh here it is. Right here, this could be a multi-generational with a guest suite down. But you remember that we helped that family build a house in Fort Mill that their dad, who's gone on now, but that he enjoyed so much living there. And that multi-generational thing really warms my heart. Why? Because I'm an old guy. Rodney, come upstairs, man. Now, so this has really as many as 5 bedrooms, right?
It does. You know, with the guest suite down, 4 bedrooms up here, and check out this loft space, Roger.
Yeah.
Everybody's after the homework station. For me, it might be a sports center. I know a guy, it could be used as a YouTube studio.
Now see, Jack would be all over that right there.
Jack and then Jude.
Yeah, I don't know if Jude's going to be a real estate dog. He's just started his own pet store called blinkydinkpet.com.
Nice.
So Amazon affiliate store.
Yeah.
So Rodney, this is amazing space right here.
It is. It's a great home, great location here. And
well, I love downtown Mint Hill. In fact, I don't know if you remember that story. Feel free to talk about these spaces. This is a bedroom. But you know, I showed a house one time just right around the corner here in downtown Mint Hill, and I literally brought my wife back and I said, let's buy this house. And she said, well, I like downtown Mint Hill, so the laundry room is all maxed out. Wow, look at this. Now, Rodney, the spec house that they have for $650, mid 6s, we don't know if it's got all of this, but that's not that hard to add.
Well,
cabinets.
It's not, but I'll tell you, Roger, we need to let the YouTube subscribers know you never really want to contact the on-site rep. You want to contact Roger or me directly before you contact the on-site rep.
Absolutely.
And what I'm instrumental about doing, Roger, is I know who to contact to get specifications for those particular homes.
Right.
In fact, I can do that via email. You know, Roger, we utilize Zoom sometimes.
I know you'll do a Zoom call with people, but you know where part of your secret sauce is, and I'm not going to give it away, when you have that first, when a client's coming into town, or if they live here, and then they have their first meeting with you. Oh, I love this.
Yeah, I do something unique to help them get acclimated to the area.
Don't tell them what you do.
I won't do it.
It's secret sauce, man. You know, there are other agents that watch this channel.
That's right.
So this is like a Jack and Jill, right?
It is connected here.
Yeah.
And
I like the fact that you could lock a door and have it be an ensuite. If, like, let's just say that this is a guest bedroom, and you have a guest come and stay with you, you could lock that door and that becomes an ensuite, right?
That's true. And you know, Roger, a lot of times my clients, they love that I know most of the on-site reps. I know who to call, who to text, how to get a hold of people, to get appointments, to get information.
Well, you and I have both heard from people that they say, hey, I did reach out, but they didn't call me back. Well, these on-site agents are so busy.
That, and I've had people drive to the model and nobody's there.
But when Rodney Jones shows up on a caller ID, I mean, that's saying something.
They answer the call.
I mean, you have such a high regard and respect among these agents. So this is a beautiful primary suite.
And you know, Roger, it's all about relationships, of course. And
right.
you know, you and I work so hard to keep good relationships with the builders. We appreciate what they do. They appreciate what we do.
Right.
So.
Well, and Rodney, go in that shower.
Oh my gosh, let me test drive this. Hello.
Rodney, you know what questions to ask, and I'm not just trying to blow smoke.
Look at this. These are your controls, so when you cut the water on, you can step out of the way and not get blasted with the cold water. I love that.
But Rodney, you know the right questions to ask.
You know I do.
Isn't that true?
That's true. And you know, they did some transom windows for natural light in here.
I love it.
If I've helped you today, and I think I have, call me 704-202-7460. Roger, we forgot the poem. So the poem is,
this is Rodney's poem.
I can help you in North Carolina. I can help you in South Carolina. I am a full service licensed agent. I list and sell homes. I help you buy new homes. That's my specialty. I also help you find resale homes if that works for you. Call or text 704.
Let me give them the right number. 704-345.
704-202-7460. 704-202-7460. Call or text. You can call Roger either way. Just make sure you say Rodney Jones.
Rodney Jones, there we go.
Rodney Jones.
I've never heard him say his name without saying 704-202-7460. Anyway, guys, you can tell we have fun, and we want to make relocating to Charlotte easy for you. If you're here in town, Rodney can also help you list and sell your house, but we would love to just talk with you. So subscribe, like, share, all the stuff that the kids do. But first, give me a call or call Rodney, and let's ask about Meadow Vista. Now, again, there are some, we're going to do a drive around now and talk about some of the lots that are just on the verge of being released. We'd love to help you. I thought they were sold out here, but there's some opportunities left, so give us a call, and we will see you in the next video. You have anything else you want to say?
All set. Look forward to hearing from you.
Go to RogerHollowayHomes.com.